Three AI tools you can use to generate videos for free. You don't need to subscribe to them before you start generating videos with them. In this video, I'm going to review 3 AI tools which you can use to generate videos for yourself for free without subscribing. So without wasting much of your time, let's go dive into it.
So our first AI for today, it is called Vibes AI. You can go and download the app from your Google Play Store or your Apple Store, or you can also search for it on your browser. As you can see, this first one here, you just tap on it. Now, on this AI tool, when you tap on it, it's going to open like this. You can download the app from here and you can register on the app and start using the app to generate videos for free. But one thing about this AI platform is that it generates videos without sound. You can use it to generate videos, but it generates videos without sound. But it generates unlimited videos. So if you want to be generating unlimited videos, you can use this AI tool to generate your videos. If you are doing like voiceover videos or this storytelling with voiceover, you can use it to generate your videos and add voiceover later. Now let's move to the second AI tool. Now, the second AI tool is called Dollar AI, and on this AI tool, one thing I like about this AI tool, you can generate videos up to 10 seconds. Yes, you can generate video up to 10 seconds on this AI tool. In fact, up to 50 seconds, and it is still free. And you can come back every day and be generating videos with the AI. Now, let me show you how you are going to get access to the AI tool. So if you want to use this AI tool to get access to, you just go to your browser and you search for the name. As you can see, Dollar AI. You can search for the name and you are going to see this first one here that says dollar.com. Then you just register on the AI tool and you start using it to generate videos for yourself. I've made video how you can use this AI tool to generate video before. So if you have not watched that video, you can check my page here. You are going to see the video. Watch the video and it's going to put you through how you can use the AI tool and be generating videos for yourself for free. Now let's move to the next AI tool, which is the last one. Now the last AI tool, it is called Oi AI. As you can see, just like the name is written here, Oi AI. You can go to your browser where you are browsing on your phone, your Google Chrome, and you go and search for the name of this AI tool. Now you can see it here. You can just tap on it and you register and you also start using it to create videos. I've also made video about how you can use this AI tool and be creating videos for yourself. So you can get started using the AI tool and start creating videos for yourself.
Now you have seen those AI tools which you can use to generate videos for yourself for free without subscribing for anything. So if you find this video helpful, I want you to like this video, comment, and also share this video. And if today is the first time you are coming across this channel and you have not subscribed, do well to hit that subscribe button so that when next we drop more videos like this, you also be among of the people to watch those videos. See you guys on our next video.